Say again? It's easy, yeah. All right. So two-way tables, they're called two-way tables, so I'm talking here, because you have columns going downwards and you have rows going from left to right, hence the name two-way. So, let's go ahead and complete this puppy. Say again? That was a good one, Soda. Good job. Ready? Let's see. So we know the totals are these added up going downwards, and the totals over here from left to right. So we're going to use deductive logic to fill in all the spots. And Yonovich is right on. One more time, Yonovich, what's your idea? How'd you get 50? Also, you're right here. Total. Got it. So, we know that the totals that we go from left to right are going to equal 130. So you want to say, look, I'm going to fill in this marginal frequency first. Remember we went into the names of the boxes? This is a marginal frequency. This would be a joint frequency. So if these two add up to be 130, then I'll just take 130 minus 58 to give me what's left over, which was 72. Going for 72 right here. Notice the logic. The logic was if both these add up to be 130, well, to get this marginal frequency, just take 130 minus 58, you're going to get 72. By the way, this is what assignment 28 is about, for those of you already on it. Okay, since these two added up have to be 72, and I already know this one's 22, I can figure out this joint frequency. 72 minus 22. 50. Huh? Cool. It's all logic. That's all it is. There's nothing, no highfalutin, crazy, skilled math here. These two add up to be 60, and I already know one joint frequency, so I can take 60 minus 50. This will be 10. Question so far?
The last total is 90.
This last total is 90. How do you figure?
Wait, never mind. Wait.
Well, we know that these going down are going to have to equal 130 also.
70.
So these two have to be 130, so we know this has to be 70 here, because 70 plus 60 is 130. Or you just take 130 minus 60, you'll get 70. Because these going down have to be 130. You with me, the casas? We're good? One more time? How'd you figure? Your calculator. Thanks for clearing that up, Ramirez. I was really... The calculator. That was awesome. What numbers did you punch in your calculator, Ramirez?
70 minus 22.
Beautiful. Total minus one of the joint frequencies is 40. One more time?
48.
Thank you. 58? Yeah, 48. We're good?
Amazing.
All right, I got you.
1-0.
Go ahead.
1-0 already. Iceland's winning.
Iceland's winning. Let's just stop the lesson and watch the game.
Yeah, that's
All right, here we go.
$20 if you do that right now.
Let me see it.
And we do nothing the whole day.
Let me see it.
Hey,
Hold on. Let's see. All right, nothing the whole day. All right, let's go.
Son, you supposed to take that one. I would have gave that up for nothing the whole day.
All right, Simon, here we go.
I would have gave it up.
All right, Soto, come on. Back over here. Same thing. Let's use some logic. I have people under 21, over 21, and where responses are yes and no to some type of survey. What the survey is about, who cares? It doesn't matter. All we need to do is use some mathematical logic to fill in these tables. Total here is 30. we have one joint frequency. We'll take 30 minus 29. There's only going to be one person there at the S. 24 plus 1 is 25, so that definitely worked out. We have the total here. We know these two have to add to be 75, so 75 minus 30 is going to be 50, 45. Cool. So far, so good. Right, Ramirez? Is that on? No phones out right now? Rodriguez either? 25 plus something has to equal 75, so 75 minus 25 is going to be 50. We're rocking and rolling. 50 minus 29.
21.
Yeah, it is.
Sorry. We're done. No biggie. That's it. I'm going to put the game on. Continue with 27 or 28. I'll be walking around the